Meaning of Elizabeth I.
Elizabeth I.
Elizabeth I.
Elizabeth I.
Elizabeth I. Elizabeth I refers to Queen Elizabeth I of England, who was the daughter of King Henry VIII and his second wife, Anne Boleyn. She ruled England from 1558 until her death in 1603 and is known for her successful reign, which saw a flourishing of English arts and literature as well as the defeat of the Spanish Armada. Elizabeth I is also remembered for establishing the Church of England as the country's official religion and for never marrying or having children, earning her the nickname, the Virgin Queen.